Oh, we're good. Oh, we're cool. I think we're good. Okay, people, first of all, it's now darker in here. The roof is back. Nothing's stopping us. That means we're free to do it again, but we're not going to do it again. Anyway, you meant to introduce something like today we are going to a classic car show, but we've already been to a classic car show. So this is just me recording shit for my tens of subscribers to have a look at the cool stuff we did. But I am good. The camo Escort is going to be the thumbnail. I didn't record. I didn't press record. Recording that one. That was the car of the day. It's going to be the thumbnail. Best one ever. That's it. I hate the guy that had it, but it was cool. So enjoy some random shit. Like, what is this stuff? I'm in love. Yeah, thanks, pal. Oh, my dad or me? Oh, that's alright. Beautiful, man. Oh, ho, ho, mama. I don't even know what this is, but like, oh my god. Oh, to be fair, this one looks just as good. Definitely the Michael Knight type thing.
I don't know what time I'm going on the gate.
2 CI, is it heck? Oh, it's just, you can get 2 people in there.
Donkey Kong, wasn't it?
Yes. Awesome. Okay, Nathan, you're right. This one wins the whole day.
Absolutely.
It can't get better.
You are being watched.
I'm watching them watching me. Wow.
Taxis come and take the actors that were being started. With the crew and chat gasoline. You know how everyone's doing.
Yeah, put that gasoline on.
So it's a great thing that
Oh no, I haven't done it with them.
Lanos. Have you seen the back of that? Look in the back of this one.
Okay. You promised some good things, mind.
It is.
Yeah, I like it off. That is pretty cool. Selfie. I'm selfie. Better get a selfie of the food place.
Why are you spreading so fast?
Because I'm looking at my beautiful face ready to get a hot dog.
Have a look.
I'm beautiful, how dare you? Whoa, yo. Do.
We had someone last week with you. Andy wears an atlas.
Some big ass windows, man. How old is this damn thing? Come look at the siren, buddy. The siren at the top.
What the fuck? Was that the sirens back in your day?
Not in my day, jeez. How I'm a young Springer something over there.
Back in your day.
Back in my day. I'll start with one like these though. Living on the parade.
This one's better.
She pays me.
PJ Brown, now you gotta give it
Whoa, it's a big ass. Whoa, yo, yo. Wom, wom, wom. Oh, you gotta have this Christmas music going, haven't you? Oh, Stan's Autos. Nothing to do with Santa. Never mind. We'll assume. Oh, we That wins the whole day. Okay, bend over this. Right, have to record this thing. I want it. This is an apocalypse vehicle. Never hated so many people in my life. All loved them at the same time. You're the cameraman, that's it. Not the inflated man. Well, I've no idea what I was just looking at. But it was fantastic. It's kind of like watching porn. Just looking at all the things you want to ride. But that was good. Ah, come on, that could be a comedian. Okay, it's my random shit then.